All right, Debbie, so Shopify versus affiliate marketing. What's the difference and which can be scaled up to your first $1,000 per month online the fastest? My name is Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification button because I am releasing new videos on Make Money Online on a daily basis. All right, so over the last couple of days, if you've been following along with me, I've started my first Shopify store, and you know I'm very experienced with affiliate marketing, and what I'm going to share in this video is basically what I've learned, what separates each business model, and what I think is the best way or the quickest way to scale up to your first $1,000 a month in online profits. All right, so without further ado, let's get to it. Oh, by the way, here is winner of $30, the yesterday's $30 cash competition for top commenter on yesterday's video. Boom, winning comment right there. We're doing the same thing here today. Just comment below something related to this topic, and within the next 24 hours, I'll be picking the top commenter here today. So let's get to it. Here we go. All right, Debbie, so if you know, over the last few days, I've just recently built my first Shopify store. Yesterday, I've been getting all the technical aspects all hooked up. It's turned out to be a little bit more work than I thought, but I've finally now got a good grasp on it. So just to be clear here, guys, as you know, I am an expert in affiliate marketing. I've done that since 2008, 2009. Shopify, I am new to the game, but this is what I'm, based off of my past experiences, this is what I think about which is the best way to get to your first $1,000 a month as a beginner from scratch. So what I'm gonna do is give you the comparisons right now. So the benefits of affiliate. Now, when I say affiliate, basically what I'm talking about is free traffic using things like blogging, Pinterest, YouTube, basically all the stuff that I teach here in my Deadbeat Super Affiliate system and my Tube Tycoon system. So we're talking video marketing, all free traffic, blogging, etc. So if you look at the sides here, affiliate, we're gonna just say free traffic, paid for Shopify. So just so you know, you can do both for each, but this is free traffic's better as an affiliate, paid better for Shopify, in my opinion here. So benefit number one with affiliate marketing is it's much lower startup costs. You can literally get started just with a cheap web hosting plan, and all you have to do is put in your time to do content, get backlinks, all of that stuff, create videos, all that can essentially be done for free. So if you're new to the game and you're really worried about if you're on a budget, you don't have much money to invest into the business, I think affiliate marketing, from my experience, is going to be the better option for you, simply because it's much lower startup costs. Secondly, because of that, and because we're working with free traffic, as long as you know the right stuff, it's much lower risk. So you're going to see why in just a second. But what I mean by risk is you don't have to invest money up front to get traffic to your site. So you can be a little bit more spray and pray, in other words. All right, that'll make sense in a second. All right, this is also less technical with affiliate marketing. All you need to do is know how to set up a WordPress site. You can literally learn to do that in less than 30 minutes. So I teach all that in my free guides, my Deadbeat Super Affiliate system. All of it's very, very easy to do. So that is literally the only technical thing that you need to know how to do. It doesn't matter your prior experience. Literally can knock that out in 30 minutes from scratch. All right, another benefit of affiliate marketing is that there is less maintenance. So you don't need to do any kind of customer service. You don't need to track numbers. You don't need to watch ROIs on specific ads and all that stuff. So it's literally mostly set and forget as long as you keep producing content. You don't have to worry about nerdy data or anything like that. Lastly, less precision required. So because we're doing the spray and pray method, it's free traffic, you don't need to get down into the numbers like you do with paid traffic. So what I mean by that is because we're not bidding money per click or per view, it doesn't have to be an art. It's just a matter of getting rankings, no math, no tracking, none of that involved. So affiliate marketing, the only drawback is, with what I teach here, is because we're working with free traffic, typically it takes a little bit of time for your campaigns to take hold. The other negative is because a lot of the affiliate marketing niches are, in other words, Facebook and Google typically frowns upon affiliate marketing a little bit. So you're kind of limited in the sense that you can't go after all the markets that you normally would be able to with paid traffic. They limit your ability to use paid traffic in a lot of the affiliate niche markets. So it's kind of a different segment of the internet if you want to look at it like this. You can typically target different things, and that's a generalization, but certain offers like ClickBank offers, it's going to be hard for you to run paid traffic to them. Now, it doesn't mean it's not impossible, but as an affiliate, because there's a lot more to work around, you have issues with approval, and you don't have the same money that you can invest as if you had control of the process. So getting to $1,000 a month with affiliate marketing, look to typically spend, from my experience, what I've seen with people getting results in my stuff. And again, this is not average. Most people do nothing with it, so they don't get results. But realistically, 2 to 3 months from scratch, very low startup, can get you to about $1,000 to $2,000 a month. Potentially, of course, it depends a lot on you, how much you put into action. There's a lot of different variables. All right, so that's one side of the equation here. Now, this is what I've been realizing or learning with Shopify. We'll speed this up a little bit. Way more startup costs. So there's different things that you need to buy in the process. You need your Shopify store. You need a domain name. So Shopify store, it's like $30 a month to start. There is a free trial link below. That's my affiliate link. If you use that link, though, that's going to give you a free trial. So if you want to start up with Shopify, you need a Shopify store. It's $30. You need a domain name. Also, several of the apps that you need cost money. They're not super expensive. Like, they're mostly just like $5 each, but that adds up. So realistically, just for the technical stuff, it's roughly like $50. Ooh, that's big, but that's a 50. So $50 a month is what you're looking at, plus email autoresponder, $50 to like $65 a month. For the good stuff. So that's what it costs. The good news is, though, you can make it back a lot quicker than with affiliate marketing because you typically spend on paid traffic. Now, with that said, it is higher risk. Higher risk because you are working with paid traffic, and initially, it takes a little bit of time to get your numbers. All right, so that's what I've learned about paid traffic is usually it's very hard to create a new campaign and be profitable right off the start. So that means the first couple of weeks, you'll be lucky to break even. You'll be lucky to break even. Now, you're not going to be losing insane amounts of money because you can cap this at like $5 a day, $10 a day. But it's going to take a little bit of time to get your numbers, hone in your campaign, build up your Facebook pixels, your retargeting list, and all that stuff. So, but essentially the more money you put in, the more effective it becomes. All right, a lot more technical Shopify is. You need to know a lot more things like the Shopify apps. That's what caught me up yesterday. I spent a lot of time learning about the different apps that I need. How to link up retargeting with Facebook. There are different apps that you can use so when people land on your checkout page, this is very important, that you're able to retarget those people and maximize the money that you make per person. So there's a lot more things like tracking involved. Retargeting, all of that is way more technical than just spray and pray on affiliate marketing. So there is that additional hurdle. That's why it's taken me a little bit longer than I hoped, just the technical aspect of this. Other issues that you have to do more support, and I'll talk about this in a second. Because you're literally handling the orders or fulfilling the orders, even if you do drop shipping, there is a customer support element to this. So you're either gonna have to do this yourself or sub it out to a VA from like Upwork or some of those Filipino ones. I wouldn't recommend them personally from my experience, but just go to Upwork and find a VA to do that for you. You can get that for like $400 a month. All right, now the benefit with Shopify is it's faster growth. So you literally you can start making sales almost the first couple days right off the bat. And you probably will if you hook it up with Facebook paid ads or Google AdWords. So you can get faster growth sales a lot quicker than you can with affiliate marketing. Like this, you're looking at like a 30 days on average, just from my experience. Some people, I've gotten tons of testimonials, by the way, from people using my Deadbeat Super Affiliate system, making sales the first few days. But if I had to say average, Shopify, you'll get them much quicker because as soon as you click the button, the traffic hits your site and you can start making sales. So faster growth. Other thing is you can sell this. This is more of a sellable asset. And I'll talk about that right now. This is what I mean by this. So when people say Shopify on like YouTube and all that, basically what they're referring to is either drop shipping through AliExpress or doing like print on demand t-shirts, hoodies, coffee mugs, things like that. So that's what they're referring to. But Shopify in and of itself is just a platform to sell e-commerce goods. So this could be products that you have at home, essentially, like, you know, theoretically. It could be products that you have in a warehouse stashed somewhere. It could be products that you drop ship off of AliExpress, for example. And the model that I'm using, just so you guys know, I am doing the drop shipping model to first start it off to kind of get my feet wet here. So here's the issues with drop shipping. This is what I've learned so far, and this doesn't mean it's an end game. It means more support initially, and customers won't be quite as happy as they should be. Here's the main issue. Main issue is while the products are pretty decent, because they're coming from China, you have this issue, which it takes about roughly 2 weeks to 2 to 3 weeks to get the product if you do e-packet. So that is an issue. And the other issue is that while this one's free shipping, so you can get it completely done for 10 bucks, the issue is that it can cost money to get this done. So that's the main problem with this model. Now, again, this is not an end game. It just needs more support. And you have to do more things, like you have to connect the orders with a tracking number, and there's apps for that. So that's another technical thing you have to do. So the apps. So basically how this works is this is what I'm doing, and this is basically what I've learned from taking a few programs and putting my own spin on it. I'm starting off with drop shipping, and this is just basically my way of testing the market. So let's go with this coffee grinder, for example. If I want to sell this, right now I have to charge at least $20 to make a profit and cover my ad expense. So this would be like a front-end product. It's a little bit expensive for a front-end product. We'll talk about this later. But what I want to do is, first things first, I'm going to get sales coming in. And then if I see that the market is good, what I'm going to do is I'm going to find an individual supplier for this to private label it out. So we can do things with private label. If you contact the manufacturer, you can get additional features added on. You can get your logos printed on. So it's going to add some distinction from these Chinese sellers here. Now, the other cool thing is once you get your private labeling going, then you can get a shipment of the product shipped to your location. So I'm in the US, so I'm going to start targeting US and Canada customers. So what I'm going to do eventually is, once I find my campaigns are profitable, it's a good niche to get into, I'm going to then start private labeling and getting my own variation made and getting bulk quantities shipped to me. And I'll send that to a fulfillment service so that the products are coming out of the US. Shipping days will only be like 2 or 3 days. So that'll solve a lot of the issues. But just starting out, AliExpress is a great way to test the market and test your stores, test the business model. All right, so that's just where I'm at with the whole process here. All in all, here's basically what I have to say to answer the question. Shopify, you're gonna be able to get to $1,000 a day much quicker, as long as you get through the first set of hurdles here. You have the guts and the time to stomach this, and the ability to withstand the frustration of learning the technical stuff. It's going to be a little bit more learning and techie stuff up front with Shopify, but you can get to $1,000 a month quicker this way because of the paid traffic aspect of the business. Now, affiliate's easier to learn, and it's lower risk, lower budget, lower startup costs, but it's going to take you a little bit longer to get to $1,000 a month. But that doesn't mean, to clarify this, guys, that doesn't mean I prefer Shopify over affiliate marketing. They're kind of a different beast, and what I'm going to be doing is combining the both. Reason why is because affiliate marketing has much higher profit margins. So I'm going to take my Shopify stores and feed them into affiliate marketing campaigns. So that's what I plan to teach as soon as I crack the model on the channel here. That's what I'll be talking about in my upcoming videos. So with that said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I do have a free guide that will get you started with the process of affiliate marketing. I'm going to be talking about Shopify in the near future, but you can get started today with affiliate marketing. The link will be below, or just go to deadbeatuniversity.com/guide, and that guide will show you step-by-step, A to Z, how to build an affiliate marketing campaign from scratch. And the guide is 100% free, no purchase necessary. Link below, or deadbeatuniversity.com/guide. With that said, guys, make sure you keep an eye out for my new videos. I am going to be launching my store hopefully tomorrow. There's a few additional things I need to do, but it's almost done. So I'm going to probably launch it tomorrow, start making my first sales tomorrow. So keep an eye out for my upcoming videos about Shopify. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that circle subscribe button to join the Deadbeat Revolution today. Pop up right here. Also, hit the bell notification button, share this video with your friends, hit the like button, and comment below if you have any questions for me. I'm happy to help. My name is Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate, and I'll see you Deadbeats later.